Hi guys, Trebor7 here, and this is the 7th and final part of our ESP card series. And this being our last go around, I just wanted to kind of back up and reiterate some of the things I spoke of in the tutorial. Now, if you're completely new to this, please use the card up there and start from the beginning, and all this will make a little more sense. I know a lot of people aren't seeing the little mental flash that I speak of. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use video editing to put in the little flash on a few of these cards here, 4 cards, just to show you what you're kind of looking for, and just to see if your mind or eyes are quick enough to catch the mental flash. Now again, the most common places where the flash occur are right when I pull the card, or when I set it forward, or when I raise it to the camera, or when I flick it. So what I'm going to do is just take and put the image in and just see if you can see it. Alright, so we'll do a few here and just see if you can catch the flash. Alright, so here we go. Well, did you see it? Anyway, that's kind of the effect that I get, and I'm not saying it's going to be that way for everybody. Some people would say it just comes to them mentally, like even before I pull the card sometimes. So, could be different for everyone. Now at the end, I'm just going to do a standard 10 card test without any funky video stuff or whatever. But while we're at it, just to try something new, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 non-traditional shapes. In other words, they're not going to be the square, circle, star, wavy lines, and intersecting line that you've been using. And I'm not going to show you or tell you what they are. I'm just going to pull them and see if any of you can get them. Alright, here we go. Alright, let me know if you got any of those oddball shapes. And then another thing I want to do, well, before we wrap this up, is just do a basic colors one. Now all I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same wavy lines card all the time, but they're going to be various colors. So we're just going to run through these and see if you can guess the color, instead of having to try to catch the image of the shapes. Alright, here we go. Green, red, blue, yellow, black, red, green, blue, orange, and black. All right, hope that was fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this seemingly long series of videos. A couple people mentioned they are kind of getting tired of these. Other people are saying they love them, keep them coming, you know, so can't please everybody all the time. But this will be the last one of these Zener cards, at least for a while anyway.
Oh yeah.
And I'll be moving on to other things. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please stick around. We'll do a nice, quiet, calm 10 card test to wrap it all up.
Okay.
And feel free to leave your comments and questions and stuff below, and I'll try to address them as quickly as possible. All right, Trebor 7. Appreciate you guys watching. Good day. God bless, and namaste.